Well, hello everybody, and check out the new island sitting here in the middle of my kitchen. So I watched a YouTube video of a guy that made a pineapple pie, and I was like, oh my god, I gotta try this. So basically, what you need is a 9-inch graham cracker crust, pre-made. You need 8-ounce Philadelphia cream cheese, room temperature. Crushed pineapple. Drain out as much water as you can. Put it in your calendar. Give it a press. Get out as much water as you can. 3/4 cup of sugar. Mix it all together in a bowl. Pour it into the pan, and you have an instant pineapple pie. So this is setting up now. I saved the original cover, and I just flipped it over. Now, this mix is supposed to be for one pie, but it looked like massively overflowing. So I split it in half between two pies. So I made two pies. So basically, yeah, just mix all the ingredients together in a bowl and dump it in the crust and refrigerate it. And this is my first time. Hey, get away from my pie, brat. So, first time making a pie. And there's no cooking involved or nothing. So there you go. I'll let you know in the next video how this tastes. And yeah, it's just a nice, from what he says, it's just, that is not your spot fart. Oh my god, get your fuzzy ass tail away from my pie. So, anyways, what are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? You gonna say me out? Are you the pretty kitty? Are you the pretty kitty? You're not supposed to be on the counter when, well, I'm not cooking now, so yeah, I clean everything off before I cook. Whoop, there we go. Yeah, so my first pie. I'll let you guys know later how it tastes. Have a good one.